Hi Pretty Birdies! Today we're going to talk about our matte lip products. Our matte lip moisturizer, the Silent Treatment, is equal parts lip care and makeup prep. This formula hydrates, soothes, and reduces the appearance of fine lines, all while being lightweight with an ultra matte finish. Bury Them With a Smile comes in 8 beautiful shades. This long-wearing, water-resistant, non-drying formula provides a comfortable, creamy texture. It's highly pigmented, which gives you instant coverage in the ultimate matte finish. Infused with vitamin E, mango seed butter, shea butter, and avocado oil to help hydrate and nourish the lips.